Hello, very important topic today. We are going to see data structure, how you form your data in R. Okay. The first form is Scalar. Scalar. All right. How Scalar look like? The Scalar is just a single number or a single character. Let's say B is 12. This is a scalar data structure you can enter like C Amina. This is a scalar still, even if it is a character variable, but since it is a single, it is a scalar data. All right. Let's see another structure, which is a vector. A vector, how do you write a vector? Let's say student score, just name. Our student score are C. That's 23, 34, 45, 67, like that. Our four students have gotten these scores respectively. These are discrete numbers because they are not continuous. And what is this C? The C here, let's comment on it. C is combine or concantanation. All right, it combines our variables. All right, we can also use continuous data like C. Let's say 30 to 80. It means these are scores from 30, 31, 32 until 80 score, right? They are continuous if it is not discrete. Okay. Another structure is matrices. All right. How do we use matrices in R? Two ways. The first way is using matrix function. Let's say my matrix is our function matrix. Just write matrix, then it will open. First is a function in R, and write matrix, it will open. You just need to put your numbers that you want. Let's say just 1 until 9. Okay, until 9. So you use comma to define number of rows. Okay, in this number 1, 2, 3 until 9, how many rows can be formed? If you open this one, then you can define it. Let's say 3. How many columns? Ncol, number of columns it opens. How many equal? There are 3. All right. If you run this code, it will show our matrix. Okay. If you open it, you can see how it is. It is the table variable 1, variable 2, variable 3, and the row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right. It's true. Let's say just make a mistake and see. Let's put it 2. Is it possible? If you run, it shows error because it have cut some variables, right? We don't have 7, 8, it's 9, right? Let's just change it to 10. Now 10, how will it be our rows and the columns? Will it be 5 to 5? No, because you see it is repeating again, all right? It is not. So the real numbers would be maybe 2 and 5, all right? Perfect, this one. You can also just use interchange column and the, let's say 5 and the rows is 2. If you hit this code, then it will show as you want. So this, you see, a matrix is very good. It arrange your data as you want. All right, we have another generalized form of matrix, which called array. My array, where are you? Here, you just type array, array will come, that hit it, and you need again to define the numbers you want. Let's say 1 to 9, okay. And instead of specifying a number of rows and number of columns, just use comma and the dimension. It will open, and you need to define it using concatenation. C will be what? Will be 3 and 3. Okay. If you hit this one, then it will be provided as we got before. All right. This is the array, a generalized form of a matrix. All right. Let's go to another data structure, which is a list. How to make a list? Okay. Let's create a name for it. Let's say my list. Okay, my list. You use just list, like list. It will open. Let's say the first variable is name. Okay, you define it. Name comes, you put just equal. You say because it's a name, you have to use quotation mark. Jonson. Okay. And then for another variable, you just use comma. Let's say age. Age is a number, you just write a number. He has a 30, he's 30 years old. And continue to other variables. Let's say gender. Gender is a character variable, then use quotation mark. Let's say male for M. Okay. And put a condition. Is he a student or not? Okay. You open it, then you put a condition, a logical variable. Let's say true. When you type true, it will come true as read, and you can continue with other variables. But this is just a list. Just Control Enter to run this code. It creates our list. If you click here, you can see the variables and their numbers. If you click the whole one, it will come here. My list is the name, all right. It has under name, age, gender, is student variables. What kind of type? This is a character, this is a character, this is a logic, and these are our values. Jonson, 30 years, male, and true, all right. Okay, now we have seen a list Therefore, we are going to see another general form of list, which is data frame. In our previous video, we have showed the data frame, but let's just repeat. There is no wrong to repeat. A data structure called data frame. How do we make it? Let's just define it. My data, and we want to use data frame, data dot frame. It will open. All right, if it opens, you just list whatever you want variables. The first one is you can just use down to see it very well. Okay, the first one is name. If name, you just type, you want to define it, name equal, then you use concatenation, or just combine the values you want. All right. Let's say I have Josh. I have assumed in quotation mark. Okay. I have Fidelis. Okay. 3 students. Let's put the fourth one. Jen. All right. After that, you put a comma, come back down, age, you define the age. See, the first one has 23, 16, 67, 23. Okay, there are 4. Right after that, you can just come here and put gender, their gender. Okay, see, the first one is male, M. Second one is female, F. The third one is male, M. And the last one is female, F. All right. Now, are they student? Is student equal? We use logical variables. C and true, true, false, and true. For logical variables, because it is well defined, you don't need to use quotation mark as character, or even if it is a word. All right, if you are done, then you hit this Control and Enter for Windows and the Command Enter for Mac OS. Learn this code. All right, this error. What's the error? Is student. See, true, true, false. Unexpected symbol in gender. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay. The error is because we didn't put comma here at the end. All right. Learn it again. All right. It works. So we can open my data here. My data has 4 observations and 4 variables, or just 4 rows and 4 columns. So here is our data table. Josh, Assoumpta, Fidelis, Jen, their age, their gender, and if they are student or not. All right, guys. This is how we can enter our data in R or formulate our data structures as just good as you wish. All right, let me know if you like it in a comment, and I will drop this code in a description box so that you can try it, and let me know which other things I can go with. Thank you.